Today we're here talking about the Brother L9570. We're going to cover loading paper, how to load your toner, how to remove the toner tray, how to remove the transfer belt, then that'll allow you to also remove the waste toner. So let's start with loading the paper. These units take A4. They are universal to an extent. You can see our green tabs on the sides, which we want to make sure are grasping the paper. The one at the back as well can be moved. Again, we just want to make sure that the guide is lining up with the paper. Next up, we've got how to load the toner. These units have accessible from here. We've got a button which will release the front and open up. We've got a toner tray which we need to pull out, which will then give us our toner, which will be indicated which one we need to choose from and change on the display. With the toner themselves, you can do it while still in the machine. For the demonstration purposes, I'm going to remove the tray, which I'm going to lean this up, grab it, put it to the side. This gives me better access. I can then grab the individual toner, and you can see I've leaned that forward, and then I'm grabbing the toner out and replacing with a new consumable. When I'm placing the new toner in, I want to make sure I get that click, which clasps the toner in place, and then it's ready to go. Now that I've got the toner tray out, it gives me access to the transfer belt, which I may need to remove to get to jams. Any jam clearance also will be usually indicated through here. My transfer belt is down the bottom. So the transfer belt is a little bit delicate. When we grab it out, you can see it's like a film. We want to place that to the side. And then now we have access to our waste toner and any other possible jam. Our waste toner is down here, which we have a nice big lever to grab onto, which we can grab out. This will fill up with any excess toner, and then we basically throw this away. It's a complete consumable product. So now that's basically your general jam clearance and the waste toner, so we can pop that back in. I'll now replace and put the transfer belt back in, being careful. Again, these are quite a delicate item. Placing in place. And now with my toner tray, the trick with this being the little flick switch at the back. So I'm going to put this back. Ooh, damn it. Lean in, push down. Now I need to move my number 2 out of the way and push the unit back in, close it up, and we're done.